So this is the unit. (37.70 square meters), 1 bedroom, and bathroom niya very spacious. Katabi niya tong kitchen. Over and under cabinets, sink, good as brand new. Di siya nagamit ng previous owner. This is around 7.1 million regular price. Discounted price is around 6.4 million or 171,000 per square meter. So this is the bedroom. Ang view niya is amenities. And this is going to be your living and dining area. Meron siyang balcony. Same view. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. As is where is. And first come first serve basis. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule property showing, message us directly. As you can see, good as brand new po yung unit. Konting linis lang. And this is still sale. Ang bentahan po nito or ang price ito sa developer nasa 200,000 per square meter and up na. Or nasa 9 million and up. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Yung amenities nila. Swimming pool and adult pool. Parks and playground nila. Play zone. Wala silang gym dito. Function room. Andito yung gym nila. Gym.